In this video, I will show you how to connect your Oanda broker account to TradingView. To begin, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. Once TradingView opens, sign in to your account. Now, open a chart. You can choose any market you want, such as a forex pair, gold, an index, or another instrument available on TradingView. After the chart loads, look for the Trade button on the right side of the screen. Click on Trade. This will open the broker connection area, where TradingView shows the brokers you can use directly on the platform. Now, search for Oanda in the broker list. When you see Oanda, select it. Next, click on Connect. A login window will appear where you can enter your Oanda account details. Type in the email address and password connected to your Oanda trading account. Depending on your region, you may also see different login options, such as Oanda Global Markets or Oanda EU and TMS clients. Choose the option that matches your account. After that, click on Sign In or Continue. Now wait for TradingView to authorize the connection. Once your account is connected, you should see Oanda available inside TradingView. From there, you can analyze charts, check your account, follow open positions, and place trades directly from the TradingView interface. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your Oanda email and password, make sure your account is active, and choose the correct login option for your region. Also, before placing any order, always review your trade size, stop loss, take profit, and account balance. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Oanda broker account to TradingView.